people the real me.
So we're going to the Halloween store just to like, I don't know, look for costumes, I guess. Dude, Billie Eilish, I didn't know you were here. God, you can be Karen for Halloween. Let me eat it.
Yeah, let me get it.
I just came back from murdering 7 people.
I love the cemetery, especially at midnight when it's colder.
They're not having a leg for me. That's not funny. Where did this come from? What the heck? I'm gonna get kicked out of the store.
Cowboy.
Go.
Step on it. Step them.
Whatever you want, man.
That one.
It's gonna eat her.
Someone check up on her. Someone get her to a hospital.
It's the not talking. I feel powerful. Someone else has to do it. Someone else has to do it. Why am I the one? Because you're the one who wants to do it. Okay, this is my friend Rebecca. Hey Rebecca, what's good? No way. What was that?
I just love that game, particularly with crying little babies. I'm ready.
Welcome to my room. Ah, it's hot. Car vlog.
Whoa. Don't forget to take.
I got you.
Alright, good. So what are we going, Valerie?
I don't know, where are we going?
Nora?
Amazing question.
I'm just the driver. Where?
Yeah, I
Miss
think.
Wild? Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where? Where or when?
Do you want to get ice cream someplace, or do you want to go into a store?
I'm fine.
Ah!
Ah!
We're going to World Market now. What are you buying?
Too cute, a bunny.
Oh,
I
it's
convinced her
cute.
to get it. She'd put it down.
Guys, the crown. It has a T. Like what? And so does Downton Abbey. What the heck?
I'm not sure if that's food or like.
Eat it and find out.
Alright. Hey, look, it's Valerie.
Good looking people or not?
I can't.
What is it? A Bob Ross calendar.
I almost slipped.
You want the Bob Ross calendar?
Yes. Yes.
Guys, the pole's on clearance. Ice cream love.
Hello. Ice cream love.
Ice cream love. I am Beyonce.